Percy is a green engine on the island of Server. The conductor came to see him. Hey guys. Hello. I'm just wondering, where's the controller? I need to ask him for my job. Oh, the fat guy? I'm not sure where he is. It's probably at Burger King or something. But, sometimes ever wondered why his wife ever married him because he is a fat slob. Oh, hi, Mavis. Okay. Percy, so your job is... What the... Who's buying a jet engine? What's going on? Someone's buying a jet engine, I think. Keep that away from it. Hello. Hello, Thomases. Wait a minute. What are you doing here? Oh, yeah, I am Oliver's Go Thomas. But where's Thomas? And Thomas Community of Thomases. I am a Thomas. Good thing that guy left. I couldn't stand him. Well, I think it's time that I head out see. Hi, Connor. Oh, hi, Big City Engine. Where are you going? I'm gonna do some big city travels. And because I'm Big City Engine. 100 miles an hour, we go! Oh no. Who's that? Who's that in the middle of the track there? Who's that puffing down the track? It's me. Thomas, I'm not trying to quote lyrics of songs. I'm being serious. Hi, Flora. Oh! What the? Who the flip are you? Oh, why, hello there. I'm all engines go Percy. Percy, what have they done to you? First wooden engine, rise, and now this. Come on, driver, please.
Yeah.
Dun, 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 dun. So, alright. Hello. I need to... Hold on. Alright. Stood there was a little tram named Flora. Hello there. What do you need my help with? Oh, she's just looking for an engine. Well, I'm an engine. No, you're a tram.
Trams are engines, you stupid little thing.
Good thing I probably ran into that irrelevant character for a while. Anyway, yeah, while they're doing that, there's an engine. Hank! 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 It's going freedom. I gotta get to them. Hank! 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 Alright. So, you don't have any other engines? Because it doesn't look like I can get into you. I mean, there's a shed right there. However, it only got... Oh, wow! happened to us? I don't know, Thomas. We're all like smashed into each other. I don't like this. Does any of you want to take the train? To where, sir? I just need one of you, okay? Bruh, that's all I need. Okay? Bruh, that's all I need. Bruh, that's all I need. Okay, man? Okay. I can do it, sir. Are you sure about that? You replaced 11. Oh, you replaced a legend of 75 years. Don't hold that against me. It wasn't my decision. They just told me I was gonna be in the show. They never said I was gonna replace that person. Let me go to the other place. What happened to us? Betcha I'm faster. Rosie, are you crazy? I am faster. Look at me. I am literally freaking jet powered. What do you think? I can show you. You in one army. I can't wait to see to be underrun by a red engine that always bragged in the first episode and made a fool out of herself. Yeah, I'm so scared. I'll show you, she said. Well, actually, she didn't mean to repeat herself, but she repeated herself anyway. She didn't mean to repeat herself, but she did anyway. Which was bad, because no one in the show wants to repeat themselves. They always just do it. Come on, man. Do it. Okay. Fine. You just sit there. Okay. I need to go find another engine. Engines. Where are engines when you need them? That's it. Look at those. Okay, now time to go off. Find one. Yep, no. What job do I even need them for task? I forgot. Let's just end the video.